If we find lots of planets like ours, we'll know it's likely that we aren't alone, and that someday we might be able to join other intelligent life in the universe. Planets in the hundreds of billions are likely caught up in the vast whirlpool of the Milky Way galaxy. From Earth, a lonely outpost on one of its spiral arms, we've begun to peer across the void. We can already make out, dimly, the light from planets orbiting distant stars. We've even tasted—
There could be life in our own solar system. This shocking news is coming from the most credible source there is, NASA. I'm Rebecca Felgate, and I am so excited to be getting extraterrestrial right here on IO. Life outside of planet Earth that could be in our very own solar system. The announcement was made by NASA at the end of last week that their Cassini spacecraft and Hubble Space Telescope have made some interesting discoveries. Where is this all happening? One of Saturn's 62 confirmed moons called Enceladus. Enceladus, what a name! I love a good moon. I knew that moons were way more important than we give them credit for. Enceladus is one of Saturn's 13 icy moons, so it's cold. It's cold, it's bold, it's Enceladus. Again, what a name. Basically, Enceladus has chemicals that, when found on Earth anyway, are the ingredients to life. NASA scientists have found hydrogen molecules, which is pretty important as a discovery. Enceladus has an icy shell, which is kind of similar to our ozone layer, but it is thought that underneath the ice there could be a full ocean. Why? Well, the presence of hydrogen suggests that there is hydrothermal activity under that icy shell. The presence of oceans could be absolutely crucial. We know that oceans on Earth anyway are filled with life. On planet Earth, there was probably life in the oceans long before there was life on dry land. I've always had a feeling that the first aliens we find will be fish-like aliens, so maybe that is what is going to happen here. The next step will definitely be trying to explore beneath that icy shell, although Enceladus is pretty far away, 1.272 billion kilometers to be precise. Some other fun facts about Enceladus: one day is equal to 1.37 Earth days, so they're 32 hours and 53 minutes long. Enceladus is also one of the brightest objects in our solar system. It reflects 90% of the sunlight that falls on it, making it very shiny. I love a shiny moon. Enceladus is also pretty small. It's just 1/7 the diameter of Earth's moon, so if there is life, it could be a crowded place. Or the life we find could be really teeny tiny. Small fish aliens, the best kind. Of course, this is just speculation.
a few of their atmospheres by dissecting those faint traces of light. But the ultimate goal of NASA's exoplanet program is to find unmistakable signs of current life. How soon that can happen depends on two unknowns: the prevalence of life in the galaxy and how lucky we get as we take those first. Light from exoplanets, if passed through a prism, can be spread out into a rainbow of colors called a spectrum. Different colors correspond to different wavelengths of light. Missing colors show up as black lines, indicating specific gases are present, because each gas absorbs light in a specific color. The moment is here. The moment we get one step closer to knowledge of future ocean world exploration. The announcement, made at 7 p.m. BST this evening, came as a result of new findings from NASA's Cassini spacecraft and Hubble Space Telescope made this week.